Hello there and welcome. How's it going? This is Mark Castillo, aka the Digital Marketing Warrior. Welcome to the Facebook Live. And if you're watching this from YouTube, welcome to the Digital Marketing Warrior YouTube channel, the place to come to be inspired in creating your wealth. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about how I generated my first $1,450.13 online and what you can learn from it. If this is your first time here and you're watching this from the Facebook Live, don't forget to follow me on Facebook by hitting that follow button on my profile. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, some hearts, and share this out to the world. If you are watching this from YouTube for the first time, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out when I roll out some new content. So as of today, I've been able to generate $1,450.13 online. Talk about an accomplishment. Woohoo! I was pretty excited to see that result being achieved. I would have never thought I could generate even my first $100 online, let alone first $1,000 online. When I first got started in this industry, I thought it was pretty impossible. And even when I was taking action in the very beginning of my journey, I was only seeing maybe a few dollar sales here and there, then start incrementing to some $7 sales, and then my barely first $100. And in the beginning, it was kind of hard for me to believe that I could do it. And I'm going to keep it real with you. I'm not going to be here to tell you that generating $1,450.13 is easy to do, especially if you're not used to this kind of industry. Because when most people get involved in this kind of industry or they hear about it, they automatically think that it's a scam, that it's a pyramid scheme, you name it. And these people are thinking that these people who are generating six figures and beyond online, they think that they had to scam people in order to get to that level. Now, unfortunately, there's some marketers, sleazy marketers out there who don't have your best interest, but you don't want to paint the picture for every marketer in general, because there are some marketers out there who are genuinely out to serve and give value to you so that you can use that value to change your life and be empowered to creating the wealth and abundance that you deserve. And here's the thing that I notice with most people. When most people get started in this affiliate marketing industry, they get stuck in what is called shiny object syndrome. Now, if you're watching this video for the first time and you have no clue what is shiny object syndrome, is basically means getting addicted to buying one product after the next, after the next, after the next, investing tons of money into these products, but not really seeing any results to show for it. And because they get stuck in this shiny object syndrome, they don't stay committed. They don't commit to mastering that one thing that's going to get them the result. And that's another thing. Most people don't invest in themselves. They don't take the time to learn skill sets. They think it's not that important. They don't take the time to work on their mindset, especially. They don't take the time to really work on themselves. Instead, they're so focused on just making the sale, making the sale, making the sale. But that's not what it's all about when you start in this kind of industry. And I'm going to keep it real with you. I'm not here to tell you that it's going to be easy to generate results in this business. You will need to invest in yourself. You will need to invest and do things that you've never done before. Which leads me to what you can take away from this accomplishment that I've generated with generating my first $1,450.13. Okay, the first thing is you got to take action. You may want to write this down, so I'll give you some time to take out a pen and a piece of paper. You've got a pen and piece of paper? Fantastic. So first thing, you want to take action. Okay? The way that you get started and you start being on the path to generating results in your business, you gotta take action. You gotta get started. There's no perfect time to start. You only have right now. And the truth is, you're never going to be ready. Hell, I wasn't ready in the very beginning when I started this industry, when I started my digital entrepreneurship journey as a young 20-year-old broken college dropout. I wasn't ready. But if you never start, if you don't take action, if you don't start, you're never going to be there. And when you take action, you start, that's already half the battle right there. The second thing that you'll want to take into consideration is invest in yourself. This isn't just about getting positioned to earn the maximum possible in whatever business opportunity that you decide to get started in. Although that is important, but that's not about what investing in yourself is all about. Investing in yourself means taking the time to get on trainings, to get on coaching calls, to getting coaching and mentorship from those that walk the path before you, so that you can start building skill sets to better increase your chances of getting results. Because this is what this industry is all about. It's not just about making money. It's about getting results. And in investing in yourself, this also means working on your mindset, working on the foundation right here. If you are interested in getting started in affiliate marketing, if there's one tip that I can give you to start with, is to always work on your mindset. When you get signed up in whatever business opportunity that you decide to promote online, make it a habit, a daily routine to work on your mindset, because this is what's going to keep you from permanently quitting in this industry, because I know for a fact that's what helped me from preventing myself in permanently quitting this industry. Don't ever give up is the next thing. So you want to take action, start today. You want to invest in yourself, get positioned to earn the maximum possible. Learn skill sets, take the time to learn skill sets. And you want to also work on your mindset. Above all else, don't ever quit. As I mentioned earlier ago, quitting was something that wasn't an option for me, because when I dropped out of college and from the years that I've spent being in this industry, being on this journey, it has helped me a lot tremendously, not just in business, but also life in general. It's just made me all around a much better person at age 25. And I honestly don't know where I would be without this, without being in this kind of industry and from working on my mindset. So while this is a video of celebrating my recent accomplishment in generating $1,450.13, I want to make this more about you. And I want to share this with you to show you what's possible when you stick with something long enough. Because to tell you the truth, for a long time, I thought I couldn't do this. But look where I'm at today. And it's only going to continue to grow from here. If you're watching this from the Facebook Live and you're curious to know what is it that I'm currently up to, here's what I want you to do. Either to the right of this video or down below this video, comment the words "I'm interested," and I'll be sure to inbox you privately on Messenger. If you're watching this from YouTube, here's what I want you to do. There will be a link directly below this video for my number one recommendation for mindset transformation. I want you to click on that link, opt in with your best name and email. You'll be redirected to a page with a video presentation on it. watch that video presentation all the way through and lock in your spot as soon as possible. With that said, this is Mark Castillo, aka the Digital Marketing Warrior. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching this video today. Have an amazing day, wherever you may be, whatever time that you're watching this from. And I trust that this video has inspired you to either keep on going with what you're doing and building a business, or inspiring you to go out, change your life, and create a lifestyle filled with wealth and abundance. With that said, this is Mark Castillo, aka the Digital Marketing Warrior. I'll see you on the next video very soon. Take care.